रिलीजन हिंदू कॅटेगरी जनरल मला तुमचं सांगतो का काय काय पाठवलं 10वीचं मार्कशीट हो 10वीचं मार्कशीट 12वीचं मार्कशीट त्याच्यानंतर इन्कम सर्टिफिकेट इन्कम सर्टिफिकेट ओरिजिनल कुठे गेलं ते स्कॅन केलं नाही तुम्हाला इन्कम सर्टिफिकेट काढावं लागेल ते विचारायला की मला इन्कम सर्टिफिकेट ओरिजिनल सबमिट करायला सांगितलं
Okay, am I audible? Just check.
Yes, sir.
So this problem was going on. So somebody has told something fy. So whatever value I have written, just check. Is it correct value 242.48?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct? But somebody has taken something wrong. So have you calculated resultant?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the value of resultant then?
248.41 Newton.
248. So whether summation
Yes, sir.
fx and fy is correct? Summation fx and fy?
Yes, sir.
Plus 242.48. So 6
Sir, 249 येते.
249. Asmita 38. You are telling this answer.
Sir, 249.79 बरोबर आहे.
Whatever I have written, is it correct?
Yes,
What?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What you are using for calculation? Calculator, mobile, or what?
Calculator.
Calculator. Then this should not happen. Somebody has told 249. I heard 249. So you should
250.56.
250. How come? 249.79. My answer is this. Just check once again.
सर करेक्ट आहे 249.79.
सर बरोबर आहे हेच येतोय.
बरोबर आहे सर.
Whatever variations are getting, I don't know why these variations are. कशामुळे एवढं व्हेरी होतंय? तुम्ही काय करा, आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट try to take 2 digits after decimal point. Somebody may be rounding up.
It is correct.
Correct, no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so R we have found out, resultant we have found out. So what is our aim to find out now?
Theta.
Theta. So what is
Theta.
formula for theta?
Tan
Tan inverse summation of Fy upon Fx.
X.
Okay, so tan theta is equal to summation Fy upon summation Fx. Will you calculate now? This, so theta will become
1.49.
76.101.
again different answers. What is problem? Summation Fy, how much it is? 240.48 divided by Fx, how much it is? 60. Calculate now this. How much it is?
76.10.
70. Correct.
76.10.
Very good. 76. Somebody has told again something answer. What is problem? Theta is equal to. Have you got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this is
Yes,
theta.
sir.
So what is now next?
Direction.
Direction we have to find out now. So how to find the direction? So we have to check whether theta is positive or negative. Okay.
Positive.
Is it positive? Means in which direction we have to take this?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Very simple. So whoever was asking last time. So just check how we have to take this. So simple method, no? This NS. So north, south, west, and east. So clockwise or anti-clockwise, I have to take angle. So
Anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise, it will come something like this. So this angle will be how much? 76.10
6.10.
degree. So now to finalize the arrow or direction of resultant, what we have to do? We have to check summation fx and signs of summation fx and summation fy. So how they are?
Both positive.
Both positive means which quadrant it will be? In which quadrant it will be?
First.
First
First
quadrant.
quadrant. So arrow of resultant, whether it will be in upward direction or downward direction.
Upward.
Upward direction. So it will be something like this, upward direction, and here I have to write R is equal to whatever value I got. How much it is? 249.79 Newton, like this. So this problem gets end here. Any problem? Any difficulty? Any problem? Any difficulty? Alag Laksha. So this will be the problem for 7 to 8 marks, or maybe 5 to 6 marks in your exam, like this. Shall we go next? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go next? Will you take? Have you noted down or have you taken screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go
Yes, sir.
next? Shall we go next?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So last problem. Last problem to find magnitude of resultant and direction. So are you able to see this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes,
able?
sir.
Okay, shall we solve first this problem? So further problems
Yes,
are of different types. Last problem from this method we will say, where we want to find resultant and its direction, where force system is given. Okay, so how many forces are there in this?
4.
4 forces are there. So
4.
you have to see now carefully. Yeah? We will solve immediately this problem again. 4 forces are there. So what is a regular method now? What we have to do? We have to resolve these forces. So which force we will take first?
250 Newton.
250 we will take. Okay, according to you, let's take 250 force. So resolve. So I will write here resolve. First now you have to tell answer. Resolve 250 Newton force. So at least 2 to 3 students should tell answer. Otherwise, I am believing on you. Whatever answer you are telling. Apex. What will be apex for 250 Newton force?
250 Newton.
250.
Plus 250. Plus.
250. Why? Because it is horizontal force. A horizontal force will have only horizontal component or x component. Its y component will be 0. Are you agree with me here? 250 Newton force.
0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and it will be positive. Why? Because it is going towards right hand side or positive x-axis. This is the
Right hand side.
first force. Next force. Which force we will take now?
450 Newton.
450.
450.
Resolve 450 Newton. So what will be its, how this force is? My answer, first tell me. How this force is? Vertical. This force is vertical. So its x component will be?
0.
Its x component will be 0. What about its y component?
450 Newton.
450 Newton.
450 Newton. And is it will be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive, because it is going towards positive y axis. Next now. Next force. Which force? Resolve?
500 Newton.
500 Newton.
500 Newton force. So whether angle is given for 500 Newton force?
काय हो काका सुट्टी आज
30 degree.
Shubham, who is in between?
30
talking?
degree.
Shubham,
No, sir.
you are not.
लेक्चर कोण करायचं आता जाऊन आलो दुकानी तिला पाणी
Next. Tell me now, with whom angle is given? With whom angle is given? Vertical axis or horizontal? Y axis. So what will be its apex component?
F sin theta.
F sin theta.
F sin theta. So what will be the value of F? 500 into what will be the value of sin? Sin theta?
30.
30. Answer. What is sin 30?
250, sir.
250 Newton.
250, sir.
It will be 250.
250.
Very good. Then Fy is equal to F
F cos theta.
F cos theta. So 500 into cos. Calculate now. 500 into cos 30.
433.01.
How much?
433.01.
430.
433.01.
433.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
433 point.
250 direction minus येणार ना?
कशाची?
0.01.
250 Newton.
Correct. 250 Newton. Yes.
Minus.
Very nice. 250. This force will be negative because it is going towards negative x-axis. Thank you. Very good. This 250. So 50 force will come negative. Why? This apex component will come negative because it is going towards negative x-axis. Okay, next now Fy, F cos theta. What is value? 433.01
01.
Newton. So positive or negative? It will be
Negative.
Negative.
Positive.
Positive.
Fy component.
Positive.
Where it is going? Positive y-axis or negative y-axis?
Positive y-axis.
Negative y-axis.
Positive because it is going towards positive y-axis. Okay, next now which force we will take now? Last force, resolve.
300.
300 Newton force.
300 Newton force. Now with whom? So here angle we have to find out angle. With whom this angle is given?
40 angle is this.
40 with
Yes,
whom? 40 angle with whom?
X-axis.
X-axis.
40 angle will be with x-axis. कुणाला समजलं नाही का की हा अँगल किती काढता येईल का? How to find out this angle? This much angle will be 40 no? How it is coming?
Yes, sir.
40?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because
30.
from this 90 if you subtract 30, this angle will come 60 no? This much angle will come 60 no? Correct.
Yes, sir.
So total is given 100. So 100 minus 60 automatically it will become 40. This 40 degree angle with whom it is? With x-axis or with y-axis?
X-axis.
So what will be its apex component?
F cos theta.
F cos theta. So what will be its value? F 300 into what is cos 40?
40.
Cos 40. Calculate.
229.81.
229.81.
Yes, sir.
Negative, sir.
Negative. Why it is negative? Is it
Positive.
Is it going towards
Positive. Sorry, positive, sir.
positive? It is positive. It will not be negative because it is going towards positive x-axis. Next. Fy.
192.83.
192.83.
F sin theta. Tell me how much it is?
192.83.
0.83. Is it positive
Yes,
or
sir.
negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Because it is going towards
Positive y-axis.
Positive.
Now here I will write summation apex. Summation apex. What is first component? 250. Then plus 0. Then for next force minus
minus
250,
250.
then plus 229.81.
81.
Calculate now how much it is. Carefully you have to go for calculation. Huh?
229.81.
229.81. Next, summation fx. Summation,
FY.
sorry, summation fy. 0. Sorry. Sorry, here, 0 plus 450. Next, plus
33.01.
433.01 plus
192.83.
192.83. How much it is?
1070.84.
1075.84.
1000
75.
75.
1075.
1075.84.
Yes, sir.
0.84 Newton. So calculate now R. R is equal to, calculate R.
1100.10.
11.
1100.
1100. Any more answer?
0.10.
43, 38. Tell me answer. What will be the answer?
Yes, sir. 1100.
1100.11.
1100.11
0.10.
Newton. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what we have to find out here? Theta.
Theta.
Theta is equal to, so directly I will write here tan inverse of, what tan inverse?
Summation FY upon
Summation now FY.
Upon summation fx.
FX.
Calculate. Your answer should be same one, at least for 2 to 3 students. It should not be different. Tell me answer now.
77.94.
77.94 is answer.
77.94.
77.94. Any other? 57. Roll number. 70.
7.94.
7.94.
77.
77.94. Correct.
Sir, 77 correct.
Yes, sir.
77.94. 77.94 degree. So finally, what we have to show only? We have to show this resultant direction and its magnitude only we have to show here. So how this angle is, positive or negative? Theta?
Positive.
Positive.
Theta is positive. So
Anti-clockwise.
in which direction you are going to take this?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. So here, so it will be something like this. Okay. So this will be theta. Theta is equal to how much? 77.94. So now we have to finalize the arrow direction, line of action of resultant. So we have to check sign of summation fx and upward direction, because both the forces or both these additions are positive. Summation fx is positive, summation fy is positive, so it will come something like this. Correct? So R is equal to whatever.
Yes.
How much here it is there? 1100.11
11.
Newton. This is your answer. Okay. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall we
Yes, sir.
either note down or take screenshot? We will go through next problem. Shall we go next?
Sir, semester exam ला फक्त प्रॉब्लेम येणार आहे.
That structure is still not decided. Problem, theory, both will be there, plus MCQ.
Okay.
Theory for our subject, theory is there. For our subject, problems are there, and for our subject, multiple choice questions are there. So with this, we have to go ahead. Okay, and this subject is most important from the syllabus point of view. And this chapter, out of that, This chapter is most important. Without this, we cannot proceed further. Afterwards, you should not say how to find resultant, how to find direction, how to find X component, how to find Y component. That's why I am taking many more examples. Okay. Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next now. Next now, a different problem. Write down this. What is the problem statement? The resultant of two forces P and 50 Newton is 20 Newton inclined at 60 degrees. Inclined at 60 degrees to a 15 Newton force. Find the magnitude and direction of force. So what is difference? What is difference in this problem, or what is change we can say? So whatever problems we have solved, in all problems we have find resultant and its direction. But in this problem, resultant is given, its direction means angle is also given, and one force we have to find out. That is something we can say change in this problem. तर या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये चेंज काय आहे अलग लक्षात. रिझल्टंट दिलेला आहे, त्याची डायरेक्शन दिलेली आहे मीन्स थीटा. सो ऍक्च्युअली हिअर दॅट नेम इज गिवन एज अल्फा अँड वी हॅव टू फाइंड द फोर्स P. That is the difference. So once again I will tell what is change in this problem. आतापर्यंतची प्रॉब्लेम होते त्याच्यामध्ये आपण रिझल्टंट फाइंड आउट करत होतो, आणि या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये काय केलेलं आहे, रिझल्टंट दिलेला आहे. रिझल्टंट दिलेला आहे, included angle of that resultant is also given, and we are supposed to find force, unknown force P that we want to find. Have you understood what is new in this problem? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
What is there in this problem? तर या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये चेंज काय आहे, आपण जे आतापर्यंत प्रॉब्लेम सोडवले त्याच्यामध्ये आपण रिझल्टंट फाइंड आउट करत होतो, पण या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये रिझल्टंट दिलेला आहे परंतु एक फोर्स दिलेला नाही. देयर आर टू फोर्सेस which are concurrent and coplanar. I will say concurrent. Why concurrent? Because it is starting with one line, and why it is coplanar? Because
Single plane lies in
They are
single.
in the same
lies in
plane.
single plane. Now here one concept you have to remember when such problem will come in front of you. So one concept you have to remember. So what is resultant? What does it mean by resultant force? आपण resultant काढतो म्हणजे काय करतो, number of forces we are replacing with one single force. Are you agree with me? What does
Yes,
it
sir.
what does it mean by resultant, or finding out resultant? What does it mean by resultant? We are replacing number of forces by a single force. It is called as resultant. This definition we have seen. So how to solve this
Converting many to one.
Huh?
Converting many to one.
Converting many to one. This is also correct. So if there are many forces in a system, we are converting into one. So here two forces are converted into one, that is 20 Newton. So in our this mechanics language, what we will say, so what the way we are splitting the forces means number of forces means one force we have splitted up or resolved in X and Y component. Then summation of, most important thing, summation of all X components in a system is equal to X component of the resultant. This thing we have to remember. काय म्हणतो मी, एखाद्या सिस्टीम मध्ये जेवढे फोर्स असतील त्याचे सगळ्यांचे एक्स कंपोनेंटची ऍडिशन ही रिझल्टंटच्या एक्स कंपोनेंट एवढी असते. सो इफ I want to write this for a given system, same sentence if I want to write, actually this is one of the special problem I will say. What I was telling, a resultant X component of resultant is equal to summation of all X components of a forces in a system. So, like this. Similarly, Y component of resultant, I will say Ry, is equal to summation of all the Y components of the forces in the system. हे असं असू शकेल का? Or are you agree with this sentence?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because Rx means X component of resultant, and what is summation of X? the addition of all x components of the forces. If these two equations are with you, you can solve easily this problem. तर हे दोन इक्वेशन तुमच्या लक्षात आले की काय म्हणतोय मी. What I am telling, once again I will tell, x component of resultant is equal to summation of all x components of the forces in a system. This is the sentence. What the definition of resultant is telling. How it comes? Have you understood this? Two equations. Rx is equal to summation fx, ry is equal to summation fy. याच्यामध्ये काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे की कशी येतात हे इक्वेशन? If you are able to understand this, problem is almost over. Nothing is else in this problem. Have you understood how it comes? Rx is equal to summation fx. What? Because definition of resultant itself is telling converting many forces into one, which will have same effect of that many force are equal to all forces. That is the meaning of resultant. Have you understood these two equations?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
from this, so what will be the x component of this resultant? Whatever resultant is given, R20, what will be its x component? What angle is made with x-axis by the resultant?
20 Newton.
60 degree.
No, 20 Newton is magnitude, but angle is 60. So what will
60
be
degree.
what will be its x component?
F cos theta.
F cos theta. So instead of now, if we will write for resultant, so I will write R. Now F is not there. R cos theta. R cos theta is equal to now summation fx. So for 15 Newton force, how many forces are given? 15 Newton and force P. So what will be the x component of 15 Newton force? X component of 15 Newton force.
15 Newton.
15 Newton. It will be only 15 Newton plus what will be the component, x component of P force, which is unknown, which has made angle. What angle it has made? Theta with x-axis. So what will be its x component? What will be its x component?
P cos theta.
P cos theta. Force is P and cos theta. This equation it will come. So with whatever values we are knowing. So here instead of cos theta, I will write here cos alpha because alpha notation is given here. So what is value of R? What is value of
20
R?
Newton.
20
Newton.
20 Newton.
Into cos 60, correct?
60.
Equal to
Yes, sir.
15 plus P is unknown, even cos theta is unknown. So calculate now. 20 into cos 60, how much it is?
10.
How much?
10.
10. So 10 is equal to 15 plus P cos theta. So what will be the value of P cos theta? If I will write here, P cos theta is equal to
-5.
-5.
P cos theta
-5.
minus 5. Okay,
Yes,
minus 5. So let us say equation A. We will say it as a. Similarly, now let's apply here. Let's apply. I will say summation fx, summation fy is equal to ry.
Ry.
Okay, so what will be the summation f y component of 15 Newton force?
R into sin alpha.
R into
Sin alpha.
no, fy. I am asking for 15 Newton. Ry is at here
Zero.
on the other side. 15 Newton force चा y component किती असेल की जो horizontal आहे?
0.
0.
It will be 0. What will be the y component of P force, which has make angle?
P
Theta.
sin theta.
P
P sin theta.
Sin theta.
P sin theta. Similarly now Ry, what will be the y component of resultant? R sin or cos?
Sin.
Sin.
R sin theta, because it is we are going to take alpha. I will write here alpha, not theta, alpha. So value of R is how much? 20 sin
Newton.
how much? 60.
60.
Calculate this. So what will be the value of T sin theta?
17.32.
How much?
17.32.
17.32
32.
Newton. Okay. 17.32 Newton.
Newton.
Okay, now, so this will be equation number. I will give something like B. So from equation A and equation B, is it possible to calculate theta? Equation A and B.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How we can calculate? Suppose I will make
Tan square theta plus cos square theta.
tan square theta plus.
Cos square theta is equal to 1.
Okay, means you want to go for squaring both side and adding both equations.
B by A.
B by A. Okay, that is also possible. So instead of going in difficulty, so let's divide which B by A, divide B by A. So what will be it? P sin theta divided by P cos theta equal to how much it is? 17.32
32
divided by
minus 5.
minus 5. What it will become?
Tan theta.
Tan theta is equal to minus 3.46.
Tan theta is equal to minus
3.46.
3.46 minus.
3.46.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so calculate theta.
Minus 73.89.
Minus
minus 73.8.
73.8.
minus 73.87. Minus something has gone wrong. No, it should not come minus. How? Just check from first equation is Rx. So what will be its x component? Cos 60 plus 15 plus P cos theta. Okay, so 20 into cos 60. What is value? Just check.
Ten. 10.
Correct. So okay, what is
Yes,
this angle?
73.89. 73.89.
70.
I am Delhi.
70. Okay, how much? 17 point.
73.89. 73.89.
73.
73.89.
Okay, 73.89. Okay, so theta, and what will be the value of T? Now you can put in equation A or equation B value of theta, and you calculate value of P. What will be the value of P? Put in any equation and calculate this.
जी वो मेरा क्वेश्चन क्यों बना कि लेट जा
How much it is? You can put in any of the equations, maybe in A or B. So whether this value is correct, 73.89. Mali.
सर बरोबर आहे.
Correct. Calculate value of P then, force P. Calculate force P.
$18.01.
18.01 is the correct answer. Any other answer?
18.01.
Huh?
18.01.
Correct. 18.01 is the correct answer. 18.01, no? 4.
Yes.
1.
1 or 4?
1.
1 sir.
1.
Okay, 1. So this is the correct answer for force P. Any problem? So what we are supposed to do? Only we have to find theta and its value, nothing else other. So, and how, what is the basic concept to solve this problem? What is basic concept? Summation of all x components of the forces is equal to x component of resultant. That is the, we can say, base of this problem, where resultant is given and its direction is given. Have you understood?
Yes.
Have you
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Shall we go next? Any problem? Shall we go
No, sir.
next? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Shall I give one homework problem for same?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I erase this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. Note down this problem. Same problem. What is this? The resultant of the system of forces is 500 Newton and acts along x-axis towards the right. Find the unknown force and its inclination theta. And its inclination theta. So how many forces? You check this diagram. So time is only 3 minutes remained. So what is the resultant forces given in this system? You can check.
500 Newton.
500 Newton.
500 Newton. And what is, which force we are supposed to find? Which force you supposed to find?
P sir.
Force P we is supposed to
P.
find. So what logic? Now this problem is not possible to solve. Only 2 minutes are remained. So I will tell what is procedure. Same now. So result x component of resultant is equal to summation of all the x components of the forces. Similarly, x component of resultant is equal to summation of all the y component. Okay, like this. These two equations you have to apply from this. And so for your information, P is equal to, I will tell answer. What answers are going to come? 4816.46 Newton. This will be the value of P. P is going to come. And value of theta is 77.65. This will be the answer. You can note down. Afterwards you can solve this problem. Okay, 1 minute is remained from our lecture. So this is the answer. My answers are this. So if you will get, you should get same answers.